feet are so slow. My feet are so slow. What's going on, everybody? Firechicken here at the scrapyard. We had an unexpected visitor today. This is Ashraf from the West Coast.
Yo.
First time out here.
Yes,
I gotta ask, like, you know, we're not doing an event today, but you got a sparring session in with me. What's your overall thoughts on the place and the ring and everything?
I think it's cool, man. You know, I've never been in the scrapyard, been to Seattle, been in the area of Pacific Northwest and shit, but it's just cool. It's fresh, you know. It's a little humid, but it's nice. Better than the desert dry heat, you know, fighting in the West Coast, but I'll take what I can get. So
yeah, we sacrifice that for rain, you know. We get a lot of that out here, but you know, it is what it is.
Right.
So you've watched some of the scrapyard stuff. You got a fighter that you've noticed more, like your favorite fighter out here? Or?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, rest in peace, Jay got him, but that was probably my top fighter. That fool was just, you know, an animal in the ring and just a solid dude. I met him in the hot box when I fought Viking Warrior. Shout out to Viking Warrior too. Big respect to him. He's also a really, really solid, put together fighter. So, probably them.
Yep. Those guys were, they were big time training partners, best friends.
Yeah. Yeah, I can see the energy for sure.
So you're here for a little bit. Do you think you'll ever make it out here to fight in the scrapyard?
100%. I know June 22nd is the next one. I don't think I'm gonna be here. I just kind of like travel around, you know. But if I am, I'm gonna pull up, and my plan is to definitely come out to the scrapyard and fight for sure. At least have one or two. I like to be in the OG yard. You know, all the yards is kind of like play it like a video game and switch the arena type of thing. And so yeah, it's an honor to be here. 100%.
Hell yeah. Also, you know, we do periodically do, they're called Sparbarbecues. It's actually Jay Bottom's idea.
Yeah.
And so we get some people together out here. We flip the stadium lights on, grill some food, and we just get in a circle inside the ring and we take turns boxing each other.
Yeah.
You know, it's just it's a good time. It brings people together. But, you know, maybe we'll catch you on or put one of those together for you when you're out here. And
Bro, that'd be ideal.
hell yeah, man.
Yeah.
Hey, thanks for coming out, man.
Yeah, thanks
Hope
for
to
having
see you
me.
again soon.
Yes, sir. Peace.